My name is Erin Pierce. I'm a nurse practitioner. I'm a clinical investigator at the Ochsner MD Anderson Cancer Center for the last 8.5 years. I'm actually on my way transitioning to a new role at Honor Health Research Institute. I will be doing solely oncology clinical trials, so I'm very excited. We have had an amazing workshop this morning, really focused on clinical trial diversity and addressing those barriers and how can we as APs be those change agents and where can we specifically shine. Today's group was great to see. We had such engaged people who were interactive, small and intimate. And we had such great ideas, whether it be coming from social media and changes to getting research, to the younger audiences that are coming through nursing school to try to engage people in clinical trials. But there's such a need for clinical trial diversity, and it's just really a crisis at this point, and everybody needs to be hands on deck about it. I think there's a real need for AP engagement in clinical studies, and I think that's why me and Theresa were so excited about hosting this conference and the workshop here today. Was just for us to be able to get the message out to APs that we really have a role to play, and that the power of within us is there to be those change agents that we see. It's going to be different at different institutions, different geographic locations. But at the end of the day, we are able to identify barriers within our own institutions and organizations, and can really focus on making tangible, realistic changes in order to making sure that we're doing better for our patients. I would say that I always look forward to coming to JADPRO Live. It's probably one of my favorite conferences to attend yearly. And though it just started, it's looking like it's going to be better than ever.